Learn masking and tracking in Premiere Pro. Easy step by step. Hi friends, do you want to hide things, blur face or add cool effects in Premiere Pro? Today I'll show you masking and tracking. Very simple way, let's go. Step number 1, what is the mask? First, let me explain. Masking means cutting a shape to show or hide parts of a video. Example, blur on face or highlight on things. Step number 2, how to create a mask. First, open Premiere Pro, drag your video into the timeline, click on your clips. Now go to the effect control panel. Find opacity. You will see 3 shapes like elite, rectangle and pen tool. Choose a shape, then drag the face on your video. Now only the part inside the shape is showing. That's a mask. Step number 3, adjust mask. Move on the mask by dragging. Make the mask bigger or smaller. Increase or decrease the scale value. And I'll increase the value. I will reset the size. Press Alt Z on this keyboard. Then add a feather to make soft edge. Play and check how it looks. Step number 4, what is tracking? Now let's talk about tracking. Tracking means masking the marks, follow something moving in the video. Example, blur a moving face. Step number 5, how to use mask tracking. Now click your marks. Enable the mask path and click the play track button. Premiere Pro will track the object. If I play the video, you will see. The mask path is properly worked. If tracking is not perfect, move the marks manually. Step number 6, finishing task. Finally, check your video. If this is good, export it. Done, you learned masking and tracking. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.